We have created an XML file for this design, and now I want to go into the signup Java class and fill in the days 1 to 31 here, and then the years here. So we go to signup, and then I will create two variables for the spinners. The first one is array spinner date of birth day, and I want to create another one for the year. Okay, so when we go to onCreate class in signup, I want to actually fill the numbers for the days first. So just make a comment that I will fill the numbers for the date of the birthday. And I have found on the net method of doing this. So just copy it. Okay. So this array spinner and this array spinner date of birthday equals new string 13345, and I wanted to go to 31. And the spinner S, and the S is the variable name, and I want it to be spinner date of birthday. Spinner is defined by URID, and here I need the spinner date of birthday. So this makes me find the correct spinner, and then I will put in the array into this spinner. So I haven't tested this code yet, so I will just run it to see if there would be anything in the code now. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it looks very cool. I want to actually add from 1 to 31. And I want to use a for loop for it. Int x equals 0, x equals to 32, x plus plus. So this array spinner location x equals a number. I don't know if this works. And I want a human counter, and the human counter is 1 plus the x. So this should work. It keeps stopping. So I would just want to search on Android how to fill an array with numbers. Okay, so this is the method of creating the array. And so I think I'm only missing this one. Then I need to cast this as a string. So just put this and plus human counter and see what happens now. Oh, I have a double here. And now we can see that it's 1 to 31. It stopped working. So I'll just try to launch it one more time. So just to explain, the integer has different indexes. So index 0 will be number 1, human counting number 1. Index 1 should be 2, and 6. Just continue here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then 29 should be 30. The index 30 should be number 31. So in this case we only need 30 numbers here. And we only need this to count to, I think, 30. So let's try to run it one more time now. Now we have date of birth going from 0 to 30, and we actually need one more because there are 31 days in a month. Just put 31 here. And now it stopped, and because we need the string to be 31 here also. We have it, 31 January, and now we need to do the same for the years. So I was thinking we could have 100 years. Just copy this code, I think numbers for date of birth year. Now I just have to quickly restart Android Studio. And I want to search now how to get the current year. So I can read here it's calendar get instance, and int year equals calendar get calendar year. Okay, so now we need to get first the year. We import the calendar for it. So we have a problem. The calendar requires a higher APE level. APE 26. And if we look at our manifest, we have oh, it doesn't say here. I don't know where it is, but I think we have APE 15. So I think we'll try this method instead. Just copy this code just to check if it works. Date format. And of course it uses calendar. So we have a problem. APE level 24. So we need to go to the build.gradle. It's here. And we change the min SDK version here from 15 to 24. Then we click sync now. Okay, so it has built now. We will check if you can actually use the calendar. This looks really cool. Okay, so we will use the spinner date of birth year, and the spinner date of birth year, right spinner date of birth year, and we call it adapter year. So just by doing this, we should be able to actually fill in the spinner with some data. And for this for loop, we need to start with using the year. So it will be like it starts with 2017, and for each year we wanted to go down to an endpoint, which is the year minus 100. And for each run, x should be negative. So just to check that this works, we can make a toast message. And we just need to check how it was made. Toast length. I'm not sure if this should be left or right, so we just check if it works. Okay, so look. So there is nothing happening. I think this should be changed to this way. 2017. Oh, and we, of course we need X here. Two 2017, 16, 15, yeah, so it will go down. Okay, let's use the same method as last time for populating array. So this array spinner date of birth year x equals x. And now try to populate the spinner with array. Let's just try to fill in the array first, see if we get any errors. Maybe this should be 101. So it has stopped. I will try to put in 101 here. Wait, it has stopped again. Okay. So we'll try to change this to like 10 or something. Just to, and then try to make the toast text again. I just want to run it one time. Okay, let's make the toast text to see what happens here. X equals X. So now we will see what X equals for each run. It should go from 2017 to 2007. So it went to 2008, so I don't understand why it doesn't want to go into the array. Yeah, of course now I understand. Because the array is 101 spaces and the index here is 2000 and something, so it cannot be 2000. So I will have in a new int called index, just call it 0, and for each iteration I will make the index go one more year up. So now the index will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like I explained here. And I wanted to end at 100. So just test this code now, pretty sure that it works. Now we did not get any errors. Okay, let's just remove this comment here to try to fill the spinner. And we need to fill it with So spinner date of year is this one. So I think it's filled with the days now, and it shouldn't be that. It should be filled with the years. So yeah, and now I see the error. So here it should be years. Let's try to run the code one more time. Oh, in 2017, and it goes to it stops. So let's try to change this to 100. And now it goes to 1980. Perfect. Okay, let's just check how much. Oh, 36 minutes, so I think we will quit the video now.